Hello friends, welcome to Tute's Corner. So today we will learn how to publish WordPress post to the page. So let's get started. As always, the first step is to write your user WordPress ID. For example, my user ID is wbwordpress.wordpress.com, and to get on the dashboard page you have to further on add wp admin. By clicking on enter button, you'll get to this page. This is dashboard page, which is the backend of WordPress. The only admin or user of this website will get to the dashboard page. So for posting the post on WordPress page, you have to first check your posts. For example, I have 5 posts in my WordPress site which I have published before. So to get them on your page, you have 2 ways. The first way is to go to settings. Here are many other options, but you have to select reading. By clicking on reading settings, you'll come to this page. On this page you have 2 options: your latest post or static page. Select below. On clicking on a static page, you'll come to this side. Here a drop down menu is given, on which you can select contact or any other post you want on your page. This is for home page, and the post page drop down menu have other posts. For example, how to add a new page, outfit ideas, fashion bags, contact. So we are adding fashion bags. So now let's check the site. I hope you get my point of clicking on those written settings. I have clicked on fashion bags. So here is the fashion bag post. I clicked on contact post. So here is the contact form that I have made and posted before, and this is the outfit idea. Okay, so now let's do it by other way. So let's get back to the dashboard. On coming to the dashboard page, we will go to appearance. In appearance there are many other options, but we have to select menus. By clicking on menus, we will come to this page. Let us first remove the posts we have done for the first page, so that I can show you how to do like this way. So I have removed all the posts from the front page. So in this way of doing this, you have to check the most recent, view all, or search option. You also have that option. Like if you want fashion bag post to on front page, you can click on it and add to menu. You can check here now that fashion bag is added to the menu. You can add more other posts to the menu. Like for example, let's click on how to add a new page, add to the menu. Now it's also here. Let's add contact to the menu. So you can always scroll up or scroll down any post. Like I am scrolling this fashion bags above the how to add a new page post. So let's save the menu. So after clicking on the save menu, let's check whether it is on the front page or not. Let's go to the front page. This is how it looks like. This is everything what we wanted on our front page. fashion bags, how to add a new page, contact. We have everything on the front page what we have added before. So that's all for the video. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.